Have you ever wondered what the universe would look like if you could travel at the speed of light? It's one of those mind-blowing questions that takes us deep into the laws of physics. But here's the thing. Our everyday experience with motion doesn't prepare us for the strange effects that happen when you approach light speed. Time slows down drastically. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, as you get closer to light speed, time slows down for you relative to the outside world. This isn't just a theory. It's been proven with atomic clocks on fast-moving planes. If you were traveling at 99.9% the speed of light, time for you would move about 22 times slower than for someone on Earth. The universe would warp around you. Another wild effect is Lorentz contraction, which means the universe ahead of you would appear compressed. Stars and galaxies that normally appear as distant points would stretch into a concentrated tunnel of light. Everything in the direction of travel would seem squeezed, while objects behind would fade out of view. Colors would shift like a cosmic rainbow. Ever heard of the Doppler effect? It's what makes an ambulance siren sound higher pitched as it approaches you and lower as it moves away. The same thing happens with light. If you were moving at light speed, all visible light in front of you would shift into the bluer part of the spectrum, potentially into dangerous X-rays or even gamma rays. The space behind you, on the other hand, would shift to red and eventually fade into darkness. You'd see more, a lot more. Something called relativistic aberration would cause light from all around you to shift toward your forward direction. Instead of seeing space normally, everything would appear to shrink into a bright, distorted tunnel ahead of you. It's like looking through a fisheye lens, only way more extreme. Energy would become a problem. Now, here's the catch. Approaching light speed would require more and more energy. In fact, as you get closer, the energy needed becomes infinite, making it physically impossible for objects with mass to ever reach full light speed. This is why light itself, made of massless photons, is the only thing that can naturally travel at this speed. So, what would it look like? In short, traveling at light speed would completely change how you experience the universe. Time would slow down, distances would shrink, colors would shift into dangerous radiation, and the stars would warp into a tunnel of light. It's a world so strange that it's hard to imagine, but thanks to Einstein's equations, we know these effects are real. Pretty mind-blowing, right? Let me know in the comments. If you could, would you take a ride at light speed?